Finally, the Rayleigh number, symbol Ra. This is the ultimate dimensionless number for natural convection. What is it? Rayleigh number is simply the product of Grashof and Prandtl numbers. Ra equals Gr times Pr. The formula, Ra equals G times beta times delta T times L cubed over nu times alpha. Or Ra equals G times beta times delta T times L cubed times Pr over nu squared. What does it tell us? Rayleigh number combines everything that matters in natural convection: buoyancy effects from Grashof, fluid properties from Prandtl, geometry, characteristic length, temperature difference. It tells us, will natural convection be strong enough to matter? Critical values: Rayleigh number less than 10 to the 8th, laminar natural convection. Rayleigh number greater than 10 to the 9th, turbulent natural convection. In between, transition zone. Applications: designing passive cooling systems, no fans needed, building insulation and ventilation, electronic device cooling without active cooling, atmospheric and oceanic flows, solar collectors. The big picture: for forced convection, use Reynolds number. For natural convection, use Rayleigh number. When Ra is very high, natural convection is strong and might be all you need. When Ra is low, you might need forced convection, fans or pumps. Dimensionless verification: Grashof dimensionless times Prandtl dimensionless equals Ra dimensionless.